Hello.
To pick up mommy and
Punta kami ng airport kasi susunduin namin si Mami from Philippines. Tara, samahan mo kami. Ha?
okay na
Samahan
to.
niyo kami. What you say?
Okay na to.
Okay na to. Tara.
Now we're at the airport.
We're here in the airport.
To pick up mommy. Oh, but we're back.
30 minutes.
No cashier at exit. Please pay at Auto Pay station.
What did you do?
Hmm?
What did you do, Daddy? You pay that?
Yeah.
Did you do the button? Now you can enter the parking lot.
Yeah.
Yay! This now was out. You cannot see me.
Hanap lang kami ng parking.
Are we gonna go out from here, Daddy?
Ah,
Are we gonna go out from here? Because she's gonna follow us to you. Is this the airport?
yes.
Can we go outside?
Yeah, but we're looking for parking, baby.
And gonna find parking. Later go us parking. We're just gonna Daddy, what's happening to the phone? And this is the airport. And when you're here in the airport, and we're looking for parking. We're just gonna walk now, guys. I'm just gonna hold the phone. Are you gonna hold the phone, Daddy?
Hmm?
Are you gonna hold the phone?
Nahirapan kami maghanap ng parking.
Hi.
Yes guys, finally nakahanap na rin kami ng parking. Grabe pa lang dito sa Terminal 3. Busy din ang parking nila. So, lapit na. Sunduin na namin si Mami. Excited na si Clarky. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, tara. Tingnan natin yung Terminal 3. Lagi kami sa Terminal 1, so tingnan natin kung maganda ang Terminal 3. Mga ano yan, Emirates Airline. So, malamang Arbab. Tara. We're going to the arrivals. Come on. Ten, 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 ten. Excited si Bunso. oh. Pag ganun pa sila, oh. Looking for mommy. Where's mommy?
But I think mommy's there.
We will check in the monitor.
ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಸಂಘ ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದು ಒಂದೇ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಆಗೋದೆ
We're here now, waiting for mommy.
I'm so tired.
We're so tall now.
Hi.
Yeah, still we're waiting for mommy. Di pa nakukuha yung luggage niya. Gutom na yung bata. Hanap kami na makakain dito. Tara. How are you? Si Mami. Nangayayat siya sa Pinas, oh. Mainit na. Nasundo na si Mami.
Hi.
Excited na rin yung dalawang kuya. Buti na lang hindi sila sumama kasi masikip.
Kaya ang malaki yung luggage. Sobrang laki ng luggage. Yung isang luggage na large, kay Michelle yun. Kasi ang daming bigay ng mga damit. Yeah, you have a lot of gifts.
Is my
From
watch
Titas.
still?
Yeah, your watch
Just traffic lang.
Is it smartwatch?
1:30 pa
But
lang
it's like,
ng hapon is traffic.
Like that is black.